In the past, uncovering your family history required combing through dusty archives, interviewing elderly relatives, and spending years building genealogical records. Today, thanks to direct-to-consumer DNA testing services like Ancestry.com, also known as Ancestry DNA, and 23andMe, discovering your roots is as simple as mailing in a saliva sample. These services have revolutionized the way people connect with relatives, understand their ethnic origins, and even learn about inherited health traits. Powered by massive DNA databases and advanced algorithms, these companies match users based on shared genetic markers, offering a glimpse into both personal heritage and human migration history. This video will explore how DNA testing services work, highlight the major companies and their differences, and discuss geographic representation and accuracy. It also examines law enforcement use and compares Ancestry DNA and 23andMe in terms of features, results, and user benefits. Just a reminder, please hit that like button and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. It's free and helps the channel. Thank you for watching. Now let's get started. DNA testing services function through a straightforward yet powerful process. Users collect a saliva or cheek swab sample at home and send it to the company's laboratory, where the DNA is extracted and analyzed. Scientists examine specific genetic markers and compare them to those in vast proprietary databases to identify similarities and potential matches. The larger the database, the greater the likelihood of finding close or distant relatives and producing more refined ethnicity estimates. These results are then delivered digitally, often through an interactive platform that includes visual maps, family trees, and match suggestions. Several companies lead the consumer DNA testing market, each offering unique features and benefits. Ancestry DNA holds the largest DNA database, making it the top choice for users focused on genealogy and family connections. It offers deep integration with historical documents and powerful tools for building and navigating family trees. 23andMe, on the other hand, is well known for combining ancestry insights with health and trait reports, giving users a broader picture of their genetic makeup. MyHeritage is widely used in Europe and supports international family matching. Family Tree DNA offers advanced testing options such as Y-DNA and mitochondrial DNA tests for those interested in tracing deeper maternal or paternal lineages. GDmatch stands out as an open database that allows users to upload raw DNA data from other platforms, increasing the chances of finding matches across different services. Although these services are available worldwide, the quality of the results can vary depending on how well different populations are represented in the database. People of European descent generally receive the most detailed ancestry reports due to the abundance of data from those populations. In contrast, individuals from underrepresented regions, such as parts of Africa, Asia, or indigenous communities, often receive broader and less precise estimates. As participation grows among diverse groups, this gap is slowly closing, and companies are regularly updating their reference panels to reflect a wider array of genetic backgrounds. DNA testing's ability to identify distant relatives has also been leveraged in criminal investigations, particularly through public databases. The Golden State Killer case is perhaps the most famous example, where law enforcement used GIDmatch to track down a suspect by identifying distant relatives and building a family tree. While this technique has proven effective, it has also sparked concerns over privacy and consent. Companies vary in their approach to law enforcement requests. Ancestry DNA and 23andMe require a valid court order or warrant before granting access, whereas GEDmatch and Family Tree DNA have permitted law enforcement searches under certain conditions, sometimes allowing users to opt out of public matching. As the legal and ethical debates continue, so too does the evolution of company policies around user data and consent. The testing process itself is designed to be easy and accessible. After ordering a kit, users provide their sample, register their kit online to link it to their account, and return the sample by mail. Results typically arrive within 4 to 8 weeks. The accuracy of DNA matching is generally very high for close family relationships, such as parents, siblings, and first cousins. Ethnicity estimates, however, are more variable and depend on the company's methodology, the sample's quality, and the diversity of its reference populations. Errors can still occur, especially for people from less represented backgrounds, but these estimates are steadily improving as the science and datasets evolve. The cost of DNA testing is relatively affordable, especially considering the depth of information provided. Basic Ancestry kits typically range from $59 to $99, with optional upgrades for additional features. For instance, 23andMe offers packages that include health reports, trait analysis, and even wellness data. Ancestry DNA allows users to subscribe to historical record access and expand their family trees with genealogical documents. Turnaround times also differ slightly between companies, with 23andMe often processing results faster than Ancestry DNA. The technology behind DNA testing is advancing rapidly. As more people submit their DNA, databases grow, increasing both the likelihood of genetic matches and the accuracy of ancestry breakdowns. Companies frequently refine their algorithms and may reprocess older samples using updated methods. This means users can receive improved results over time without needing to take another test. These ongoing improvements are transforming DNA testing from a one-time novelty into a continually evolving research tool for personal discovery. When comparing the industry's top two players, Ancestry DNA and 23andMe, several key differences emerge. Ancestry DNA has the edge when it comes to genealogy, boasting a massive database of over 25 million users. This gives users a higher probability of finding relatives and connecting family lines across generations. It also integrates with billions of historical documents, making it the top choice for family historians. 23andMe, though smaller with around 13 million users, excels in health-related insights and offers a more detailed breakdown of genetic traits and sub-regional ancestry. It also provides haplogroup information, which tracks deep maternal and paternal lineage going back hundreds of years, features not available from Ancestry DNA. These differences mean that users often receive slightly different results from each platform, especially in ethnicity percentages or region classifications. Each company uses proprietary reference panels and algorithms, so the same raw DNA data can yield unique interpretations. While both platforms are highly accurate for identifying close relatives, the interpretation of distant ancestry and ethnicity is more variable. For those most interested in connecting with family and tracing genealogy, Ancestry DNA is the better fit. For users who want to learn about genetic health traits or get more granular with regional ancestry, 23andMe offers greater value. DNA testing has become an accessible, powerful tool for exploring family history, discovering relatives, and gaining insights into personal heritage. Services like Ancestry DNA and 23andMe allow users to trace their ancestry through shared DNA markers, with results delivered online through interactive tools. Ancestry DNA leads in genealogical discovery, thanks to its massive user database and integration with historical archives. Meanwhile, 23andMe shines in health-related genetics and detailed ancestry breakdowns. While both are accurate for close relatives, results can vary based on the diversity of DNA databases and the proprietary methods each company uses. As technology advances and databases grow more inclusive, DNA testing will only become more refined, more affordable, and more impactful, deepening our understanding of who we are and where we come from. Before you go, check out some of my other videos. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.